All right, look what I just got in today. So this is a smart lock, all right? There's a couple ways you can open it up. One, they give you the key. Two, you can do fingerprint read, if you guys can see it, fingerprint read. Then key card system. And also another thing is that it has a keys, all right? 1 through 0 all the way to 9, all right? And another way is through your app. There's an app in here that it's called Smart Life. You have to download it, install it, and also batteries. You can make sure it has batteries. So we're gonna set it up right now, and to open it up, if you guys can see, here's the actual key card entrance, right? And if you do run out of batteries, you can always plug it in with an external battery in here, if you guys can see that, and it'll charge it up, just in case you ever require to program or something or unlock it. So we're gonna set it up and see how well it works. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're gonna try to open the door with an actual key card first, all right? You got a key card, and it's gonna be red, right? Because it's negative. When you got a good card, all right, and it turns green, that means the door's open. Now, we're gonna show you another way to open it up. Simple way, keys underneath, right underneath this area here. Key underneath, open it up. That's another way, all right? So we're gonna take out the key. The key's another way. Now I'm gonna show you another 2 ways, all right? You can see, you have a fingerprint, open up, simple, all right? Now we're gonna lock it. I'm gonna put a key code, all right? So hit anything for now. I'm gonna put a key code. It opens up. You're good, all right? So that's another way. Now I'm gonna show you another way. Let me lock it up. All right, so right now the door is locked, completely locked, all right? You can't unlock it, but you could come in here and unlock it. It turns green, it's ready to open. So a couple ways you can open the door using the app. You could lock the door. You could even lock it from here remotely. It's gonna go ahead and lock it. Or you could give access from here to anybody that you need access. So if somebody's in front of your door and they need to deliver something, you can always unlock it. Green. So, or fingerprint or code. You can put your code if you want. That's an option. And then you're able to open the door. So this thing is very simple to use, easy to install. And in case, like I said, if you don't have batteries and it runs out of juice, you can always plug it into a Type-C right here with a temporary. Or you don't really need any of these digital stuff. You can always open it up with a simple O key. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.